Americans argue a lot about big pickup trucks. Some people love them. Others hate them. But this argument is not really about trucks. Big pickup trucks are everywhere in the U.S. On highways, in suburbs, in parking lots. People argue about their size, safety, and purpose. And everyone sounds very sure. In the U.S., pickup trucks were not just vehicles. They were tools for work, for farms, for construction. They meant usefulness, strength, self-reliance. Over time, that meaning stayed, even when the use changed. Today, many pickup trucks are not used for work. They are clean, very large, very expensive. But they still signal something. Independence, power. I can handle things. The funny part is this. Pickup trucks promise control and safety, but they often create the opposite. They block visibility, take more space, make roads more tense, and make small mistakes more dangerous. For many people, big pickup trucks feel aggressive, too loud, too big, too much. They feel imposed, like a personal choice that affects everyone else. That's why the reaction is emotional. For others, pickup trucks feel protective, comforting, stable. They create distance from the world, from rules, from pressure. People are not really arguing about pickup trucks. They are arguing about space, control, and how much presence one person should have in public. That's why this argument never ends. Because the truck is just the surface. The real question stays unresolved.